delete this one and then move this one to the end or the beginning like this. Okay, you have to mute the volume of this one. Okay, the one you just brought in, mute the volume. So you are done generating your AI based video. Can you see the video here? So the title of this video is how to upload video to YouTube the right way using the YouTube Studio app on your phone. So I sent in a prompt, okay, to ChatGPT, and then it gave me a script. So the script, I turned it into a video. Can you see the video? Now all of this is about how to upload video. What does this image, the one you see here, have to do with uploading a video? This one, what does it have to do with uploading a video? Okay, this one, let me show you one that I don't even like. For instance, this one, what does this image have to do with uploading a video? Nothing. This one, what does it have to do? Okay, so sometimes when AI generates a video for you, okay, you need to still re-edit it before uploading to YouTube. All right, so that the text will match the video or the images that is on display. Okay, so for instance, let's play this so that I'll show you something quickly.
One of the best things about being a creator today is that you don't need a computer to share your content with the world. With just your phone and the YouTube Studio app, you can upload both short videos and regular videos in minutes. When you open the app, you'll notice it gives you full control of.
You see, when you open the app, nothing is showing like that, nothing is displaying. I can't see a YouTube Studio app on the video. Okay, so this is not appropriate. All right, I know there are other paid versions when it comes to AI generating a video for you that can be accurate. Okay, but this is free and the app I'm using is free. All right, so if it generates a video for you this way, you don't need to stress yourself. You don't even have to upload it this way. Okay, except if you want to. But what you just need to do is to either export this video as it is. Don't change anything. All right, don't change anything. You can either export it this way. Look at the export button here. Export it to CapCut and then edit the video on CapCut, or leave it on this app and edit the video on this app. Is that clear? So this is the app that I use to generate this video, and so I can edit this video on this app. So let's start. First of all, I don't like the background music. Can you see the background music? I don't like it. Okay, so let's play and hear.
One of the best things about being a creator today is that you don't need a computer.
I don't like that background music, so I want to remove it. So the first thing you want to do, click on the music. All right, look at it here, and then click on delete. Okay, click on delete. Now it has been deleted. Let's play and hear.
One of the best things about being a creator today is that you don't need a computer to share your content with.
Can you hear that? So this is my cloned AI voice. All right, it's not completely AI voice, but my own cloned AI voice. So I've removed the video. I have removed the music. Okay, the background music. So I can now add a background music of my choice. Is that clear? Now, another thing I want to do is the caption. Okay, I don't like the way the caption is. And mind you, when you're uploading a YouTube short, okay, please center your caption. All right, center your caption this way. Okay, don't bring it down, because once it's uploaded, some of the infos that you see beneath here, the whole thing is just going to be toxic for your viewers, and it's not good. Okay, so but for this video, I don't want a caption, so I'm going to delete the caption. All right, but if you want the caption, you just click on the caption and drag it towards the middle, and then go to style. All right, can you see style? Click on style. So when you click on style, you want to go to font. Okay, click on font. So when you click on font, you will be able to change the font of this write-up of the caption. So the one I normally use on this editing app is this. Can you see it here? I either use this or this one. Let's go with this one, and then you click OK. So don't worry about the rest. All of them will automatically be turned into the same font. Can you see that? It's beautiful, isn't it? Can you see that? Now, another thing you want to do, try to adjust the size of the write-up of the caption, because if you upload it this way, everything will be toward the end of the screen like this, and it will not make sense. So click on it and then drag it to resize it a little like this and leave it. Can you see that? So this is one way to do, but like I said, I don't like a caption in this video. So what will I do? So it's either you delete all the captions one after the other, or you don't need to bother. Okay, the next level of editing will cover up the text, the caption. Is that clear? So what you want to do next is to, first of all, what is the title of your video? What's the content of your video that you have generated using AI? If it is about how to upload video, after generating the video, follow it step by step and do a screen record of the process of how you want to use the YouTube Studio app to upload the video. So I've done that already. I'm just going to import it here. So for you to do that, you are not to use the plus button, you are to use the PIP button here. Okay, so just click on the PIP button. So this is the video. I'll click on the video and then it will appear on the interface. Click here to tick it good. And then after that, look at this arrow, click to drag it to fit on the screen. You can keep dragging till it fills the interface. All right, can you see that? It fills it like this. Okay, so you click here also. All right, click here and then drag it to the end like this. Let's take it there. So what you just need to do is to take the whole of this down to where you want to cut. So let's cut it here, delete this one and then move this one to the end or the beginning like this. Okay, you have to mute the volume of this one. Okay, the one you just brought in, mute the volume here. All right, can you see mute? Click on mute the volume. Okay, so all of these you have to bring it in, record another video, bring it to the interface and do your editing this way. All right, it's very simple to edit. Okay, it's very simple to edit. This is not something you have to stress yourself. And then of course you have to cut the one you brought in to be equal with the one that the AI generated for you. All right, if you need to put speed in the one you brought in, of course you can add speed to it. So there are many ways you can edit this thing. You can either export it straight to your CapCut app and do your editing there, because some people are complaining that this particular app does not allow them to do a lot of editing the way they want to do it. Okay, so once you generate your AI video, export it. All right, remove the music first, the background music, and then export it to your CapCut app where you get to edit it just by yourself. All right, it's very simple. And once you are done editing, you can then export the video and then upload it. Okay, I hope you got what you want from this video. Please, I need you to subscribe, like and share this video, and also add a comment. Thank you for watching.